I landed on the tires. Don't want to break anything. It was fun.
Perfect.
All right, everyone, what is going on? I got Project Revo 2.0 rebuild ready for its first bash. I'm out here in one of my favorite spots to go to. This is actually one of the first places I ever took this Revo, so it's pretty fitting that I bring it here for this bash. Now, I'm just gonna give it a little shakedown. I'm not gonna go too crazy. Of course, I forgot my temp gun. RC problems, I know. But I'm just gonna take it easy, make sure everything is going good, and see how the truck feels. And I'm hoping my pinion gear stays on, but any problems that may occur, for sure, I'm gonna let you guys see all that. I'm not gonna edit it out. I'm just gonna let you guys know exactly how everything goes. So I'm gonna get all mounted up, get this beautiful rig dirty, I guess, for the first time. I don't really want to, but it's gonna happen. So let's bash, guys. All right, guys. It's rolling. Oh yeah, I hear those planes. Look at, they're towing a glider up. It's alive! Whoa. Whew. It's just pulling all over the place on this dirt here. It's making some weird noise. This doesn't do good on this looseness. It's just okay. Let's adjust the trim here. Go to the right a bit. That's too much. Okay, we'll go with that. Okay, I see something we can try to launch it off of. All right, body looks pretty. Let's see. Whew. Oh, I almost had to roll over already. Woohoo! Yeah! Oh! Oh! It flipped already. Whew, it's dusty. Oh! Brakes work. Oh man, it just keeps spinning out. Wow, it's got some power. Definitely feeling the power. Let's see if I can find anything else we can jump off of here. Yeah, there's really nothing over here. It's just trying not to walk all the way to the back where the good piles are, but we might have to. Man, this thing's hard to control. Maybe it's these tires, I'm not sure. Huh. Woo, serious balloon in there. Servo is awesome, I tell you that much. Yeah, it just keeps wanting to come rear end out. Just like... That was a hard nose landing. Took it, Revo took it. Oh. Woohoo! Poor truck. Body's already getting scratched. Okay, I'm gonna start heading towards the truck because I'll hit LVC soon here. Woo! Power band on the motor is weird. Woo! Maybe that's something to do with the punch setting. I chose 75%. Well, alright guys, no breakages, everything seems pretty good. I mean, I wasn't really sending it. Got a lot of little rocks in there. My suspicion on the wing, the paint obviously didn't stay at all. So I'm gonna have to use maybe a different kind of paint on this, or just keep touching it up. I don't know, that's kind of silly. But I didn't have anything to test, but the ESC doesn't really feel hot. Motor feels a little warm, but everything seemed to hold up. Only thing I didn't like is it's kind of all over the place. I might have to mess around with the setup on these wheels here. I'm not quite sure what is going on there, but yeah, everything seemed to be good. So it's all successfully rebuilt. I'm gonna have to get it over to my other pit. Maybe these tires will perform better in the sand and be able to try to air it out a little bit. Not sure how I feel about the setup. It wasn't really enough to, I don't know, I don't know, it was maybe a little lackluster, to be honest with you. If anyone knows any kind of setups for these Mamba Monster X's for bashing. Let me know. I can change some settings via Castle Link. But yeah, my rebuild went good. Everything's all back together and it's working. It's a running truck, so that makes me very happy. My body is very dusty and dirty, but hey, it's gonna happen, so what are you gonna do? But thanks for tuning in, guys. Really appreciate it. If you liked the video, smash the like button. But you know the deal. As always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.